kailangan ko magpa-petro. Kaya pa ba yan? Kasi ayoko lumabas. Siguro kaya pa to. Nakapangbahay lang kasi ako, guys. Anyway, good morning, guys. I'm gonna go pick up Mama. Nag-grocery kasi siya today. And sumama siya kay Papa kanina. Nang super aga, like 7, umalis na siya. Tapos yung MCQ mag-open ng 8. So, naghintay pa siya sa labas ng MCQ. Before mag-open, andun na siya. So, ngayon, tapos na siya mag-grocery. And I'm the one picking her up kasi may work si na Papa. It's now 10:32 in the morning and the kids are asleep. So, iniwan ko sila, guys. Sabi ko, padadalhin ko sila mag-pick up. Sinabihan ko na si Mia na I'm gonna go pick up Mamila with her today. Pero kasi tulog pa siya, ayoko siya igisingin. So, I'm going by myself. Pick up natin si Mama. And pa-empty na yung tank ko. Pero ayoko bumaba ng car kasi nga naka-pajama lang ako, guys. As in, tumawag si Mama tapos sabi niya, tapos na ako, Joy. Hintay lang ako dito, Joy. Ano yung nasa likod, ah? Tapos ayun, nag-ready na ako. Toothbrush, skincare. Then alis na agad. Now we're on the way. Tapos, after natin pick up si Mama, stop ako dyan sa Kohl's namin kasi I'm going to pick up my Kohl's order. Nag-order lang ako online. Click and collect lang. Ang bilis. Pang second time ko na to mag-click and collect sa Kohl's kasi mas mabilis mag-click and collect kaysa pupunta sa loob tsaka mag-grocery kasi nga, ang hirap na mag-grocery ngayon, guys. May 2 anak na tayo. And this week is balik school na si Mia. So, start niya is Thursday. This week. Alala ko si Mia. Andito na tayo. I'm just waiting for Mama. Alam nyo, guys, merong nangunguha ng parcel sa area namin. So, natatakot ako. Baka yung parcels ko may kukuha. Kasi minsan yung mga parcels ko iniiwan lang ng ng driver dun sa labas. Kasi nga parang inauthorize ko na leave my parcel outside the door ba. So, ayun. Pero ngayon, change ko na kasi natatakot ako baka may kumuha. Couple daw sila, kinukuha daw nila yung mga parcel na nakikita nila sa labas ng bahay. And sometimes they open the mailbox and get the letters as well. Ma? Arig lang ko diretso lang sa may hagdanan. Okay ka lang na? May anong unod sa kunbut, Ma? Ha? Wala makupod. Tulog ba sila? Ay, lamig-lamig sa goya. Buligan ta ka? Buligan ta ka. Nakapambalay lang ko dabi. Nauya ko na ako. Alright. Tapos na si Mama, guys. Mag-load ng mga binili niya. Oh, gani. Dikit gani. Magwa na lang ko.
Dito na ako sa gwa masa kanya. Pita to, kay Papa mo, Joy. Okay, bagong ko tong kay dyan. Nagbabakal na lang si.
Let's go.
Ay, malapot sila nga to, ha?
Tulog gani sila.
Ay, kaya.
Kaya ako kay Bibi. Tulugan sila, Bibi. Hiling ko na lang, Bia.
Ay, tama yun.
Sa ubang sa molis. Kasya pa nga naguro pa pulit, ah.
Ano pa? Kuhan ka rin, dili eh. Goodbye na ako eh.
Kasya pa na. Nakapambalay lang ko. Tawya ko naog.
Ay, man kami, sobra pa.
Kapajama lang ako, guys. I don't wanna go down.
Wala kay papa mo, kasya, pero di puta. Pagkaabot.
Kasya pa kay wala pa siyang light up. So, karon pa nila light up. Pag na-light up na siya na. May Aboriginal sila.
Sino?
Ang nangunguha ng mga parcel doon sa area namin. May kumukuha ng mga parcels na nakikita nila sa labas ng house.
Ay.
Tapos,
Mga Aborigine man ang laban nagkakaunokay.
yeah, tapos sila pa mismo nagvi-video ng mga kinukuha nila. Oo, sila pa mismo nagvi-video. Tapos, I don't know kung pinopost nila paano nakita. Tapos yung friend ko na taga Brabhaman, tinanong niya doon sa community group kung ano daw address nila. So, sa Walcott lang daw sila, malapit lang Mansamon.
Ay, naman nag-post
And
sila.
pinuntahan daw ng mga taga Brabhaman na kinonfront sila na magpinangwa sila. Ay, ito nga, oh.
Anong ginakuha ang parcel? Hindi.
Wala sounds. Minsan, ang mga parcel ko pa naman, ginabilin lang.
Kung gani. Ay, dapat ma-update ka kasi putsi ko lahay.
Ano?
Dapat may lahay.
Wala ginhatag.
May balay na sila.
Oo. Dara man gani ko no sa Brabham. Nandito kami sa shop na napapagayod. May dadrop lang si mama kay kuya na food. Nagpabili daw si mama ng food.
Please, thank you.
But I don't know where the tin is.
We don't need cans.
Just give us the other one.
Yes.
OMG. Pinuntahan sila sa bahay, guys.
Mangkot ko siya. Bakal siya. Hindi man siya.
Sige, ma!
Sige.
Let's go, guys. On natin yung kumain. Pa-empty na talaga yung aking tank. Nag-light up na siya. So, mag-pick up na tayo ng order. Nag-message na kanina yung Coles ng mga 10. Pag alis ko ng bahay, nag-message sila na ready to pick up na. Kasi may sinasend silang message sa'yo na ready na siya to pick up. And may link doon sa message nila. You click the link lang. Tapos, pupunta na yun sa app mo and pipindutin mo lang yung I'm on my way. Tapos pag nandun ka na, pindutin mo din yung I arrived. Very easy lang, guys. So, diba? We don't need to go inside Coast. Especially pag busy ka talaga, hindi ka makakapunta. Click and collect is the way to go, or delivery. Kasi meron nag-o-offer din sila ng delivery for free pag naka-reach ka ng $150 ata yun. Pero ang lapit naman talaga ng Coles sa amin. As in, ang lapit lang talaga, guys. Pero kasi minsan tinatamad ka na maglakad, wala ka ng oras. But my sister, pag free siya yung pupunta sa Coles, nilalakad niya lang. And yeah, pag may kailangan kami, for example, isang lang, like sugar, we need sugar lang, or oil. Nandito na tayo sa Click and Collect. So pag nakapark na ako dun, I will press I have arrived. We're here. Dyan na lang tayo mag-park ko kasi aalis na siya. Dito na tayo, guys. We're just waiting. Diyan sila lumalabas. So, meron silang parking dito. Ayan. Coles, Click and Collect. Ang tagal lumabas, ha. Medyo mainit sa car. Ayan na. Hi! It's in the boot. Thank you. Thank you. Let's go home, guys. Ganun lang kabilis. So just put everything in your boot. And sana tulog pa si Kai tsaka si Mia. Feeling ko gising na si Mia, guys. And for sure, hinahanap na ako nun. Si Mama talaga, binilhan niya pa ako ng katsu chicken. Na may noodles. Siya na talaga. Let's get our stuff at the back.
So that was a good chance to leave because the moon was asleep.
That's a good chance to leave. Give me a kiss. I love you. You miss Mom?
Yeah.
When did you wake up?
I don't know.
You don't know? 5 minutes ago? 10 minutes ago?
It was 8 minutes ago.
8 minutes ago. Nalaro na siya. Is it?
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty like the black guy. You want some love like when you feel caught in a midnight.
Alright guys, haul tayo ng mabilisan. We have Pochi's food. We have sandwich bread.
Do you have a surprise for me?
We have Nappy.
Surprise for me?
Kai's Nappy, naka-sale.
Have a surprise for me?
Yakult.
It's because I like Raha last night.
You want this?
Yay! I've been waiting for yogurt.
Yogurt, naka-sale.
I'm scared of it because I wanted yogurt last night.
Cheese.
Yogurt. Hey, what was your pie?
Kobe cheese. Gusto ko naman cheese sticks, babe.
Yum.
I got the ingredients. Sisi cheese, nacho cheese, paper towel, toothpaste. Yung toothpaste namin nilagyan ni Mia ng water, guys. So, diba? Tissue paper. Ito naka-sale, half price. So, I always get this pag naka-half price. Naka-half price din nata to. Dalawang hand wash. And the apricot crown. Ayan. Si Mama, binilhan niya ako lemonada. We have 2 lemonadas na naman. Ayan. Laging nauubos yung stock namin dyan. We have coconut water, Coke, dalawang condensed milk para sa cheese sticks, another nacho cheese. We have soda water. Ito yung ginagamit kong soda water for the lemonada. Ito yung wrapper na ginagamit ko for the cheese sticks. So, we have this wrapper. Ayan, maganda to. Feeling ko sa spring roll, maganda din yan, guys, kasi crispy. Mia, close your eyes! Tadaan! Ice cream! Ito yung vanilla ice cream na ginagamit namin ngayon for the Biscoff.
Surprise, Mom.
Yes!
You were tricking me.
I'm tricking you! Yes! Si Mama nagbigay ng lemon. Ayan. Tapos may mga pinabili ako sa kanya kasi hindi nga ako pumunta ng MCQ. So, I've got chili and bawang. Ayan. Kasi ubos ng stocks. Alright. So, let's put this away. Yes, ate? Play with you. What are we gonna play? I'm just gonna put this away, ate. And, before Kai wakes up, we have to finish this. Di ko alam. Di ko alam bakit blue. Ah, kasi light. They give us blue. Light yung blue na ano, Yakult.
I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets.
Gumagalaw-galaw na siya. Magigising na siya. In fairness ha, ilang oras na yung tulog niya. Since umalis ako, tulog siya. Oh. Wala, nag-iingat talaga. Pumasok na naman sa kwarto. 4 hours and 24 minutes ang tulog. Very good talaga tong ating anak. Pero mamaya, wala na. Ano na yan, guys? Mga 30 minutes na lang yung nap niyan. 12:22 na.
Now what do you do? Hi, hi, hi. Hi, hi, hi.
Hello, my boy.
Hi, hi, watch me.
How was your sleep?
Hi, hi, watch me. Ready? Use.
Ikaw na talaga naka-underwear lang. Go get your pants.
He's coming.
What is ate doing, baboy?
Mommy, what's that when I was being a goose run?
You are being a goose. And Kaka is so happy.
I was doing some goose run.
Yeah.
Hi, hi.
Yeah. Are you happy to ate lang? Are you happy? Ate making you happy, no? My boo-boy, no? How was your sleep?
Mommy.
Was it good? Oh.
Kai likes that, so he's not crying.
Yeah.
Goose.
You're being such a good ate. Such a good ate, this girl. Nainitan siya kagabi. Hinubad yung pants niya, guys.
What's that a goose one?
Go put your pants on, na. I think daddy put it there. Wake up na ikaw. Awake na ang baby ko. Mommy needs to pump na naman. 5 hours na ako di nakapump, guys. I need to pump. Ano? Punong-puno na ang boobs ni mommy. Ha? Madede ka? Madede ka? Yun yung problema pag gising si Kai tapos tamang-tama magpapump ako. Puno-puno yung boobs ko. So, hindi niya kaya ubusin. Na-overwhelm siya, tapos nagagag siya. Ang lamig-lamig kagabi. Ang cute-cute. Oh, ano? Ano man na ang ginagawa ng baby ko? Ha? Nagsasalita na naman na. Ano? Nami ang tulog ni Kai Kai? Nami lang ang tulog ni Kai Kai ko? Ha? Nami lang? Nami lang na ang tulog ni Kai Kai ko? Ha? Say good morning. Stretch, stretch. Yeah, good morning.
Yawning again. Mommy, Kai won't try.
Huh?
Mommy, Kai yawned twice.
Twice?
He yawned.
Oh.
Mommy, Kai
Hello.
laying down and
Hi! Hello!
Kai.
Kakagising ko lang.
Ready? Mommy, watch something. Ready?
Okay.
This will be so funny.
Yes, what is it, ate?
Hi, Mommy, ready? This
Okay. Oh, wow. Oh. Is that funny, Kai Kai?
Did you see what it was eating something. It was eating some chocolate leaf there.
Oh, really? Kai Kai is happy looking at ate.
Kai, once again.
Once again. Move din ang ating kamera. Puk.
Book, book, book. Mama, I was eating Kai's head.
Yeah, is that funny, Kai Kai? Huh?
Mommy, watch, I can eat your head too.
Let's go change nappy. Huh?
Gobble.
Are you hungry na? You want didi?
That was so funny, right?
You want didi lang?
Knock.
Kai Kai wants didi lang?
Don't knock my face.
Ba, punong-puno
Mommy,
na
I'm
ng
doing that
nappy.
with my hands.
Yeah. We need to eat lunch.
Mommy,
Yes.
ready? Look, that goose is on my hand. Ready? Pretend this is the garden. Buck, buck, buck.
That's funny, ate. Naglaro na kami ni Mia ng bingo, guys.
So funny thing.
No?
You like it?
Medyo matagal-tagal din yun.
Kay's happy he likes my funny things.
Yeah, I know. You're such a funny ate. You make Kai Kai happy too. You're such a good
Because
ate.
he like funny laughing things.
Uh-oh.
It's Daddy. Hey, alligator. B, bow, b. D, car.
C.
Next one.
D. What's D?
D.
Dog.
Mommy,
Hmm?
let me see it again because I didn't know that was the dog one. Bonnet, 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 son. Bonnet, bonnet, bonnet.
Phonics. Phonics. With the S.
Bonnet,
Phonics. With the S. Phonics.
bonnet, 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 son. Bonnet, 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 son. Hey, out there. B, bow. C, car. D, dog.
E. Elephant. What's next? F. Frog.
You're singing it wrong. I don't know. Can you turn on TV because I can watch his makeup.
Yeah, you can get me the remote. I can turn it off for you.
D, dog. E, Phonics, 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 phonics,
What did you do, ate? What?
Chair.
A chair? Bless you, boy. Tapos na siya magdede, guys. May natirang 20 meals. Hindi na niya matapos. Ang pumping. Palubat na yung aking pump, oh. Hello, boy. Chill-chill lang muna. Pumping pa si mami. Oh, gusto na umupo. Gusto na tumayo. Ah. Oh, yabaw. Oh, sige. Tingnan niyo si ate, oh. Are you a queen, ate, or a princess? A princess. Who's... Oh. Arte. Arte. Ang yaba. Arte ni ate, ah. Napaka-arte naman ng ate natin, oh. Kanina nagmana yan, ha? Ha? Ay, abaw. Don't go there. Yung ating dudong, oh. Ay! Ayaw na humiga. Oh. Ano na? Ano na, Kai? Gusto na tumayo, Kai? Mano na ang Kai ko? Ha? Ay, abaw. Oh. Sige. Oh, malapit na yan mag-roll over, guys. Tingnan nyo. Malapit na. Ha? In 2 days. Mag-ano na siya. 4 months na siya mag... Oh my goodness.
Mom, is Kai 4 months now?
Not yet. In 2 days, ate.
1 more day? So, tomorrow? Mommy?
2 more days. Kain tayo, guys. Let's eat. The ulam is fried fish. And ito yung fish cake. Ayun, fish cake. Fish eye? You want noodles, ate? What? Yeah. Mia.
Cochino. Down.
Yeah. Ah. Kai. Hello. Dig. Wala. Ate Mia. Hello, Ate Mia. Auntie the pretty. Oh, look at Auntie the pretty. Why are you looking at Tita Pretty?
That's so pretty.
Hello people! Nakapag-nap to ng 30 minutes lang. And nagising, na si Maui din, nagising. Kasi kailangan na namin umalis. Mia's gymnastics. Dito na siya.
Hey guys, do you see my face? Peekaboo!
Makain.
Peekaboo!
Lena, so I can do your hair. We need to go. Go. Say, makadto kami sa gymnastics ni ate. Na? Makadto kami sa gymnastics class ni ate. Yeah? Tell them. Yeah. Yeah, makadto kami dito. Okay guys, papunta na tayo sa gymnastics ni ate. And kasama ko si Kai. Kailangan ko pa mag-top up kanina kasi nag-light up na yung fuel sign. So, pa-empty na siya guys. Oh, Kai. Put his dummy ate. Thank you. Hindi na nalagay ni daddy yung shade ng car. Hindi niya na-transfer. Nandun pa din sa isang car. So, medyo bright sa side ni Kai. Na-annoy siya. We're here. Take off na your seatbelt, ate.
Or pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'll go. We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets.
What is that, me ate? Ay, I don't know why you're crying, Kai. We're going now. Diyan, ate. Alright, let's go home, guys. First time ko idala si Kai sa gymnastics ni Mia. And okay naman siya, guys. Nag-poop siya and I have to change him. And all good. Change ko lang siya. And then, pinadede. Yeah, he's good. Ngayon, hindi ko alam bakit umiiyak sa car seat. Pag nagsastop yung car, umiiyak siya. That's okay, baby. We're going home now. Si Mia, hinahawakan niya yung damit for him. It's okay. Traffic dito eh. Ang daming dito. Stoplight. Yes! Did you see Ate? She did so well. Alright, now we're almost there. Wait lang. Traffic pa. Oh my gosh. Yes, traffic pa. Okay. Hinto na naman tayo. Ay, iyak na naman siya. Ay, malapit na. Starting again. Traffic light na naman. Napaka-slow. Ayan na. Naabutan pa tayo ng yellow light. It's okay, Kai. Put his dummy, Ate.
Mommy, it was yellow light.
Yeah, put his dummy, please. Where's Dummy, Ate? He's gonna sleep soon. Look at him. Where's Dummy? Ay, napatulog na siya. Patulog na siya, guys. Pero, okay niya pa din. Kapigit na yung mata. Tigunin na lang yung white noise. Who's that, Mommy Love? Mommy Love's here?
Ikaw ka, lugi sa bilan, inamyam yung ano yun.
Uy! Uy! Ay!
Ano? Beautiful
Mio.
eyes na.
Palaro na naman si Papa. Ay, beautiful eyes. Bingo sila ni Papa. Ay, nagtawa-tawa na naman. Ha? May dala si na Mama. Oh, ayan. We have tinola. Tinola ni Mano. Tinola. May kanoon, tagali. Hello, people! Gising na naman ng bata. Tapos na kami kumain, guys. Parang panipis ng panipis yung buhok niya dito sa gitna. Space dito, tsaka dito. O parang ganyan lang talaga. Kasi, ano na siya dito. Lagas, yung hair niya sa sides. Pero mas marami dito yung naglagas. Kasi dito siya lagi naka-side pag humihiga. Kasi nga iniwasan namin yung side na to para bumalik siya sa dating shape. Kasi, ayan o. Medyo nag-flat dyan siya. Kaysa dito sa kabila. Oh, wow. Tingnan mo naman yung buhok mo dyan, boy. So, ayun na yung vlog natin, guys. Matutulog na naman tayo. And same routine tomorrow. Ay, hindi pala. Hindi same routine tomorrow. Kasi tomorrow, gagala kaming tatlo. Saan tayo pupunta? Ha? Hey. Say hi, people. So, din makadto si Kai tomorrow. So, din ka makadto Kai. Gala tayo bukas, guys. Kasi yung mama ko tsaka sister-in-law ko may pupuntahan sila sa mall. And then, iyaya man tayo. So, sabi ko, sige. Gala kami. Busy na naman si Mami this week kasi start na ng school ni Ate Mia. Hi, hala. O sige na, magpa-good night na kita sa people. Ayun lang, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you in our next vlog. Mia, you wanna say good night to people? Say good night to the people.
Good night, people. Thank you for watching our channel today. Bye.
Ay, sabunot ka pa dyan, ha? Bye, guys.